Not all wood shops have the luxury of dedicated dust hose runs. Some need to be set up for each use and then taken down again when done. And connecting your dust collection runs on just a temporary basis gets tedious as you attach and then undo all those hose clamps. Infinity's MagSnap system makes hookups and disconnects neat, fast, and efficient. Crafted from durable ABS plastic and equipped with rare earth magnets and metal rings, these fittings allow for quick and tool-free connections between machines and your dust collector, enhancing both cleanliness and safety in your workspace. Attach either a magnet or a ringside adapter to your dust collector's hose. Then at your tool, install a short length of the appropriate size hose and the opposite end adapter. It's that easy. Magnet side on one hose, ring side on the connecting hose. Run your MagSnap equipped hose to your tool and connect the two mating ends to complete your dust collection run. Then when it's time to put everything away, the magnetic connection quickly comes apart again and you can return your shop space to normal. Purchase as many magnet side and ring side adapters as you may need, in either size, and build your system your way. MagSnap is the right solution to an age-old problem. Get yours today.